habiskan air ni.
Luckily, today it's not raining. I hate rain so much. It's been raining in a few days.
Why do you hate rain, though? It's a blessing and it's good for the plant. You know, that plant, and all the plant here needs the help of rain for them to grow faster.
But why didn't the school use the verb properly?
Ha! I know. Let's make a project.
Huh? What project?
Wow, I think that is the best project ever.
No, I think it's way better.
Hey, why you guys so loud? You disturb others.
Oh, we're really sorry, but you know, we're having a little discussion here.
Discussion? Discussion about what?
Oh, it is a project about the benefit of the rain to the plant.
Oh, I know a plan that's suitable for that.
You know?
Yes, this is the plan.
Do you know what is the conclusion of our rainwater project?
Yeah, I know. The conclusion is rain is very important factor to us.
Yeah, it also gives a lot of benefit to us and the plants.
So, we need to use the rain wisely.